The person that tries to please everybody pleases nobody. Ryan was a young teenager who always wanted to make everyone happy. Like you, he also thought that if he was nice to everyone, everyone would like him. He always tried to make everyone happy and wanted everyone to like him. If someone wanted to play a game he didn't like, he'd play anyway. If someone asked for help, he'd say yes, even if he didn't want to. He'd laugh at jokes even if they weren't funny, just to make others happy. But no matter how hard he tried, people never cared. They didn't appreciate him at all. One day, after helping a classmate with their homework for the third time, that week, Ryan sat alone during lunch, watching his classmates laugh and chat without him. He felt a knot in his stomach. Maybe something is wrong with me, he thought. Why don't they like me? I do everything for them. Tears welled up in his eyes as he muttered to himself, I don't understand. Ryan felt so low he didn't want to go to school anymore. His best friend, Liam, the only person in his class that acknowledged and cared about Ryan, noticed that Ryan was not coming to school anymore. So Liam visited Ryan at his house and asked, What's wrong, Ryan? When Ryan heard Liam's words, he felt an emotion that he had never felt before. He poured his heart out. I don't understand. I do everything I can to make people happy, but no one seems to like me. I feel so lonely and unappreciated. When Ryan finished, Liam said, You're trying too hard to please everyone. The harsh truth is, no one likes a people pleaser. You need to think about yourself too. It's okay to say no sometimes. It's okay to have your own opinion. That's what makes us humans, right? Ryan looked puzzled. What should I do then? How can I stop being a people pleaser? Liam smiled and said, It's important to be kind and helpful, but you also need to respect yourself. Here are 4 steps you should follow to stop being a people pleaser. 1. Learn to say no. It's okay to say no sometimes. You don't have to say yes to everything. 2. Do things because you want to, not because you want approval. Help others because it makes you happy, not because you want them to like you. 3. Set boundaries. Let people know what you are comfortable with and what you are not. 4. Be confident in who you are. Believe in yourself and your worth. You don't need others' approval to feel good about yourself. Ryan thought about what Liam said. It made sense. He decided to give it a try. At first, it was hard for him to say no and set boundaries. But slowly, he started to feel more confident and less worried about what others thought. One day, a classmate asked Ryan to do their homework for them. Ryan smiled and said, I'm sorry, but I have my own homework to do. Maybe you can try it yourself first, and I can help you if you get stuck. To Ryan's surprise, the classmate didn't get upset. Instead, they thanked him for the suggestion and tried the homework on their own. Ryan realized that people respected him more when he respected himself. He decided to try being himself. He started saying no when he didn't want to do something. Slowly but surely, things started to change. People began to respect Ryan more. They saw that he was confident and had his own thoughts. He made real friends who liked him for who he was. He was not pleasing anyone, but he was happier than before, and without happiness, life is meaningless. Ryan realized that being yourself is the best way to be liked. He learned that it's okay to not please everyone, and that true friends will like you no matter what. The final step to stop being a people pleaser will be to like the video if you genuinely like the story. This is Sparks Wisdom. Wisdom continues.